Hey, I'm Brianna K. Welcome back to my channel where today we are doing a home reset. So just going around the house and tackling all of the tidying, cleaning, organizing, whatever needs to be done. So I hope this video gives you tons of motivation to get done whatever you need to do to reset your home today. And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button while you're watching and have your notifications turned on so you don't miss any of my Vlogtober videos that are coming up.
Fall is just such a cozy transitional season. And I don't know about you, but I just always feel this pull to have everything cleaned and decluttered and just get it all back in order before the holidays and colder months settle in when we know we're going to be stuck in the house here in Ohio. So let's do this together today, room by room, and create a space that feels fresh, peaceful, and ready for the season ahead. I got started in Landon's room. Things can just get messy fast, but here's a little reminder. A tidy space actually supports better focus and better sleep for our kids. Just a fun fact to make it worth the effort to clean it up, because sometimes just changing the sheets, opening the windows for some fresh air, and just giving everything a reset can make such a difference.
It's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. It's been so cold without you here. We barely said goodbye before you disappeared. It's been so cold without you here. I'm not gonna lie, don't know what I'd do without you. Maybe we could try to figure out a way to put our past aside. I've realized I only want you. I hope it's not too late. I want you.
Next, I needed to tackle the litter box and do a clean of the kids' bathroom. Not always the most glamorous part of homemaking, but definitely important. Want to keep Kailua happy.
Be with you, then someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go.
And with bathrooms, just don't wait till it gets gross. A quick wipe down every few days really helps, especially with the kids when they're brushing their teeth and getting toothpaste. And I mean, I really don't know what they're doing when they brush their teeth in here sometimes, but
I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go.
Life as a mom of three with then also 3 fur babies on top of it. We are always busy. It ain't slowing down anytime soon. But I am constantly searching for fast, healthy, convenient, nutritious food. And that is why I would like to thank Daily Harvest for sponsoring another video today on my channel. I love Daily Harvest because it makes it so easy to start your day off with the right food. I also feel like for me, once I make a healthy choice, it's way easier for me to continue making healthy choices the rest of the day as well. And Daily Harvest gets delivered right to your door and it's frozen for a reason. They lock in nutrients at their peak and ensure that your smoothie is going to have the best flavor, and they are so good, so delicious.
highly recommend this flavor. It is so good.
I love adding milk to mine. You can add water, you can add juice. I love that they also have protein smoothies available. But if I'm not making a protein smoothie, I mix in my collagen powder. And I just need to have something on hand that is healthy, fast, and no guilt. Daily Harvest makes it so easy to build a healthy morning routine around ingredients that you can actually trust. And Daily Harvest food is grown, not engineered, so no mystery ingredients, just actual fruits and veggies. I'm gonna have a QR code here on the screen as well as a link down in my description box below. And if you use my code Brianna15, you will get 15% off your first Daily Harvest order of $100 or more. And just thank you to Daily Harvest for helping me to take my mornings back and make healthier choices. And with the chaos that life brings around here, Daily Harvest is one thing I always feel good about.
Then it's Presley's turn. I always love tidying her room, just all the Taylor vibes. I am so excited for the new album on Friday. Anybody else? Let me know. I will say though, I think Presley is my messiest of all of my kids, and she's my little snack queen, and there was so many wrappers. I also found basically cookies that she'd lick the cream out of. I'd got these maple leaf cream filled cookies and she licked all the cream, and there was just all these random cookies scattered everywhere. And if you guys are new here and don't know, I share custody with their dad, and they're with their dad this weekend. So ordinarily I would make them come up here and clean up their rooms themselves, but it has just been so busy and crazy with school and activities, and it just wasn't something I had time to have them do before they went to their dad's. So I wanted to just make sure it looked nice, so when they came home, they had nice, clean, reset rooms. And it really didn't take that long. I think this probably took like 20 minutes to clean everything up, and then another 10 minutes to fold her laundry and put it away. Hayden's room was next on the list, and he's actually been so good about making his own bed recently. He takes such pride in doing it and checking off his boxes on our Skylight calendar. So I really didn't have too much to do in here.
Sushi on a platter, brandy, honey, it don't matter shots. Till I drop, gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot, whoa, yeah. I'm busy trying to take you higher, got no time for never, only spending cheddar. Wish I could do this forever. Chilling with the hottest company, they all wanna welcome me to their private penthouse suite. Yeah, now I got the key. Rooftop pool, got a heli on speed. Ocean view from the highest peak. I'm complete.
All right, and the laundry I'd started earlier for Landon was done. And you guys know laundry is just one of those things that never ends. But I've really been enjoying just listening to some new podcasts while I'm folding laundry or calling a friend. And that's actually what I was doing today while folding the laundry. I talked to Presley for a little bit, and then I talked to one of my best friends and just had a little catch-up session. And then it just makes one of those chores that can sometimes feel monotonous much more enjoyable.
Here we invite only positivity to this party. Don't want no drama with any bad karma. Got a lot of that in La Vida Loca. Just wanna let it all go. Yeah, I can't say no when I'm this free. Don't wanna.
And then it's also so satisfying just to see all the clothes, whether you're neatly folding them or hanging them up in the closet. I always like to do them by color coordination. And I just love how it looks. A little win. Moving downstairs now to tackle the drop zone area where the backpacks, shoes, coats all just magically pile up. But actually the kids have been really good about putting their stuff away in the closet. That was one of the routines I was really trying to hammer into them at the start of this school year, just to keep the whole house running a bit smoother. The family room then also just got a quick little reset, folded the blankets, wiped down the table in here. I feel like when the family room is cleaned up, it just sets a calm tone for the entire house. There's such good little doggies over there. Hey, Debbie girls. I literally feel like the luckiest mama in the whole wide world that I've got 3 amazing babies, 2 cute little fur puppy babies. And then Cat was over here. I don't know where she went. Somewhere. But I have kind of let this pile up. I got a lot of stuff in the mail. I actually wanted to show you. Okay, a couple things came in the mail that I wanted to show you. First is, I know somebody's gonna yell at me, but I'm telling you, every year I have been disappointed when I wait until, quite honestly, after Halloween to order Christmas pajamas and they won't have someone's size. Like if I want matching family pajamas, right? It's like what I'm talking about when I need to get them for a lot of people. Somebody's size will be out and then I'll be back to the drawing board. So just a little reminder, if you like doing matching Christmas pajamas, which it's just our little family tradition. Okay, hold on. Something we like to do. I got these like joggers for myself and I'm just gonna wear, I have like a red sweatshirt that says Slay on it that I was thinking I would just wear with this then. And then for the boys, I got them the traditional, you know, like collared button-down pajamas. And then Presley, it's the same print, but I just got her, you know, the more like a long john style, because I feel like that, I mean, they could have all had the same, but I feel like it was cute to have just a little different. And she wears more of this style anyways, like that's her favorite to wear. So Christmas pajamas. They had so many options though for men. They even had like maternity pajamas, I noticed too. There was not in this print, which was a bummer, but some other prints they had pet sweaters and stuff too. So check out Old Navy, that's where I got those. And then I also, for our family Christmas photos, was starting to get the outfits too, because just again, I feel like trying to schedule those in October so that they're ready to go for ordering Christmas cards in November, all that. But I got these for the boys. I was originally thinking khaki, but now that these are here, I almost think it's like, because there's black, I'm wondering if they should wear black pants with them. And then this was the dress I got for Presley. I thought this was so pretty. It actually, this is like a little tie in the back there, a little bow, but I just loved the lace sleeves, and there's lace on the bottom too. It's like a little lace ruffle. I thought that was so pretty. And then mine is sort of a more purpley, mauve-y sort of a color. So she's in more of like the pink mauve, blush mauve, and same thing, the boys are kind of in this like blush and black. But yeah, let me know if you think black pants or khaki pants with these. But all right, we are gonna clean up the kitchen and this house will be nice and reset. And finally, the heart of the home, the kitchen. Had to tackle the dishes, scrub the sink, wipe down all the counters, because I swear there is nothing better than going to bed with a clean kitchen and then waking up to that fresh start. Another fun fact, a clean, uncluttered kitchen has been linked to healthier eating habits and less stress. So, you know, those 10 to 15 minutes at night, I feel like they are really worth it for you and your health.
The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you, I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do, let's break away. Get out, do it, break away. Get out, do it, break away. It's always mixed emotions. The first step is always hard when you walk out of the doorway, but that's just the place to start. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way.
And that is it for today's home reset. Sometimes it's not about perfection, just progress, and taking a little bit of time to take care of your space is a loving act for yourself, for your mental health, for the rest of your family. Because again, a clean and tidy bedroom, better sleep, better focus, clean and tidy kitchen, better eating habits, less stress. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you for cleaning alongside me. I hope that it gave you tons of motivation to reset your own space and to enjoy this fall season feeling refreshed and grounded. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments any other videos you would like to see over October. Until next time, sending you all the cozy, clean home vibes.